What are we doing then, Pete?
Well, apparently we're going to go for 130 miles an hour.
130 is the aim. Reason I'm thinking 130, I'm going to show you in a minute. So this road's been closed. We've got barriers up there. Pete's laughing because he thinks we're going to hit them.
Yeah, you so are going to hit. There's a barrier down there, and there's you with an 8S. Oh, it's just not going to end well, is it?
So I've nicked the Max 5 out of the Outcast 8S, still running the 6S motor. 8S batteries in there. Give it a go. Woohoo!
Oh, lots of beepy deepies. Oh, you've got to be able to control this. What do you reckon?
Oh, I don't know. It's got to be close to 100, isn't it?
Oh,
only 82.
oh no.
I think I just need to go for it.
Oh, smell! Can you smell that? You smell where you've hit the ground so hard then.
Oh no!
No, no.
Oh
That's
no, it's gone.
Oh, look, and it spat that out. It's such a thing. It's like
82, same. So it wasn't even faster. We looked back at the GoPro footage from inside the car. In person, it looked like the car had lifted up, the chassis had hit the floor, and the sparks came out. The sparks actually came from this.
Yeah, I mean it's gone.
Doing
it's actually
things.
come round, isn't it?
I mean, you can see on the chassis now, it's got marks on it. The next speedrun video will be actually getting the 100 and hopefully 30, 40. This was meant to be that video, but I broke it.
I broke it.
Now video probably. Oh, I'm filming.
Sorry.